G'day, I'm Andrew Caruana. I've got this great Ranger behind me. It's a collaboration between Ford and ARB. It's presented by Dominelli Ford down in the Sutherland Shire. Let's walk around and have a look at some of the accessories. On the front end, we've got a Summit bull bar. It's incorporated with intensity spotlights, a UHF aerial, also has a worn winch with synthetic rope, underbody protection, and a rated recovery point. So if you look at the side of the vehicle, there is a brush bar that integrates into the steel side step. Also has a clear view mirrors. They pop out so you have a clear view of your camper trailer or caravan, and on those tighter tracks you can pop them back in for more clearance. As we come further along the side of this vehicle, you'll notice this ARB touring awning. It's a 2.5 metre by 2.5 metre, and it's got these beautiful ARB comfy chairs, all part of the ARB touring pack. As we move to the rear of the vehicle, you notice this ARB canopy. It's colour coded to the vehicle, plenty of storage. Also has 3 lift up windows, either side are hydraulic arms, and also on the roof there is a base rack for more storage. Being a four-wheel drive enthusiast, modifications never stop. Ford and ARB have made it super easy now with a bolt-in kitchen. Has a gas stove, sink, plenty of storage, drawers underneath. Also with the drawers you have a spot for your fridge so you can bolt it down, and on the side of the drawers you have an air compressor. And to finish off this vehicle, Ford and ARB have kicked a goal with this raw Summit rear step. It's got an integrated tow bar, it's got spots for your sensors as well, stops all those boulders hitting the side of your tray. It's great. If you'd like to know any more information on this fully decked out XLT Ranger, please don't hesitate to contact me at Dominelli Ford. Hooroo and safe travels.